80% of your snoring is gone.
Every night for like 7 years, by the way.
Oh, intake?
The nose strip that Calvin has on?
Yeah.
I don't have one on, but I've used it because I have sleep apnea pretty bad, and I hate the sleep apnea machine.
I snore. It's just if I'm on my back, the tongue falls. If I go on my side, I'm fine. So since I bought this, my wife's like,
You do this. You put 2 stickers with magnets on your face.
you have to figure out where to place them to get it right. And strips that you've used previously, they aren't nearly as strong.
They're not strong enough. The thing that Intake Breath has done that is so much better is the magnets are strong. The stickiness of the pads is strong. So you actually get a flaring out of your nose. The metal